To enable GST in Tally, press F11 to go to Company Features. Here select Statutory and Taxation option. Press Y to enable Goods and Service Tax. Also press Y to set Alter GST details. Businesses have choice of two types of GST: regular and composition. Regular means the GST is charged on every goods they purchase and sell, that is item-wise. Composition means the GST is charged on at certain percentage, say 2% on total sales they made during a quarter. We will select regular from here. Here type the GSTIN. GSTIN refers to GST identification number assigned to every GST registered dealer. This is format of GSTIN. We can set alter GST rate details from here. We will leave it for now. We will enable GST classification. Tally will bifurcate GST into different rates and enter and save GST details. We will press enter and save the changes we made in the company. Now we have enabled GST, and now we can add purchase and sales transactions with applying GST on transaction. Do watch the next video in the series.